One of the offshoot of blockchain technology, as you rightly told a little earlier, is the cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency market is emerging so fast and so large all over the world. And can you tell us something about the cryptocurrency market and what is the real potential and how to learn about that? Because the market is very volatile. So if you can guide the youngsters, they will learn from you.
Surely. I hope there are some very knowledgeable people already sitting in the audience. If not now, even on the recorded version, they will see. Crypto as a currency has been there for the last 10 for 12 years. And one of the earliest cryptocurrency uh, that took birth was called the Bitcoin, which is now heavily traded. As you said, it is volatile. And cryptocurrency is a digital advanced fintech currency which does not have any border, and it enables transactions over the internet on a safe, secure platform. And cryptocurrencies now, there are not just one, two, or a few hundred, there are a few thousand cryptocurrencies available, and every day there are new cryptocurrencies coming. Having said that, you know that in most countries there is no law for this as of now. Where there is no law, where there is no regulatory, there will be misuse by some people also. And usually, when there is a misuse, people who have less knowledge, less understanding become victims of this. So, before people take up any opportunity related to crypto currency trading or currency holding or currency exchanges and trading, they should invest quality time to learn and usually, preferably, find a mentor and work along with him. If they can do that, there is substantial content available on YouTube. Today, people cannot say, I don't know this. YouTube is the second largest channel available for learning anything. If they don't know a certain subject, it is possible to go to authentic channels where they can learn about the cryptocurrencies, crypto trading, and acquaint themselves with basic understanding, and then they should have a mentor and work along with him. Any new subject requires someone to handhold them for a few days so that they can gain mastery over the subject and slowly become from dependent to independent. Now, cryptocurrency is especially attracting youngsters basically because the young generation has an access, especially the millennium generation, to the mobile and internet right from the early days. They are very conversant of handling this. And they have an option to work from home, which we did not have. And today, like any other trading, there is stock trading, forex trading. All these tradings are also a platform where people can use that for generating revenue by learning and also by practicing and being very judicious about it. But crypto has an advantage. Crypto is a 365 days market, unlike the stock market or the commodities market. And crypto, as you said, is very volatile. Volatile means the markets can go up, fluctuate, and it can fluctuate heavily. In any market, in a trading platform, when there is huge fluctuation, there is huge risk. But where the reverse risk is high, the reward is also high. The opportunity is also very big. But the question is, out of the 11,000 to 12,000 plus cryptocurrencies that are there in the market, which one to pick it up and buy? Which one to sell? When to buy? When to sell? It happens in a split second. So all this means one has to be a good student throughout their life because now we are in a constantly changing world. Unlimited options are available. Unlimited opportunities are available. There could be misuse also on the internet. So here you need to be a little judicious, invest some time, learn more about it. I'm sure the youngsters, if they want to choose this as a part-time or full-time career, slowly but steadily over a 3 months to 6 months time, can learn and also earn substantial digital assets. And this is the future actually.
Great, great. And can you please tell, to enter into the crypto market, cryptocurrency market, what are the minimum investment required so that anyone can enter? I mean, what is the entry point of investment?
Before I get into the investment, while I will answer that point of question, people have to understand that how do you enter into the crypto market? Now, to do any trading, we cannot do on our own. You need to have a trading platform. You need to be a part of a trading platform. And fortunately, today we have some very renowned, very authentic crypto platforms which are globally available, and people can trade that. If they are in India, we have some Indian crypto platforms for trading. If you are not in India, also you have other platforms such as Binance, Huobi, Coinbase. All these are very popular, registered in multiple countries. Technology has been perfected.
Dr. Amanullah Khan, a
Trans.
small interruption. A small interruption.
Mhm.
There are many exchanges, but it is always better to trade in the number one, exchange, Binance, right? Even though there are options.
You are absolutely right. I was about to come to that point.
Okay.
Though there are many trading platforms, one of the global renowned platforms is Binance. Second, Huobi is another very renowned global platform. Coinbase is also a very renowned platform. Now, these kind of renowned platforms have a KYC for customer identification also. They follow all the guidelines. Plus, there is a security on these platforms, and they are also having insurance against any frauds. So, these kind of platforms are multi-location, multi-country locations. Globally, it can be traded. You can have your money in that platform and withdraw any part of the world in any currency. And they are so simple and easy, even though they are complicated in the technology at the back end. It's very simple for a common man to use. Nevertheless, practice makes a man perfect. And in a digital world, it's all about practice. You once, twice, thrice, or maybe 5 times you use, you become conversant with how to do that. But strongly recommend people should do their homework and then get into the crypto trading. And
Right.
people who are new, even on the crypto trading platform, there are a lot of information which they cannot read. There will be graphs, there will be colors, there will be charts, there will be some indicators, there will be some predictions, there will be some past history, there will be some intraday, some things will be long term, short term. All this to understand, it is always better to take the help of a coach, or there are some new technologies available where you have artificial intelligence and also robotic engineering and machine learning applied, and those kind of tools can be used where you don't have to learn, but you can apply those tools at a nominal fee.
It's interesting. It's interesting, Dr. Amanullah Khan. What I want to ask you is, as you rightly told, I mean, to enter into share market or a crypto market, you have to do the fundamental analysis, the technical analysis. You have to watch the market very carefully. The market changes every now and then, high volatility, and you have to look for the world news. The news affects the crypto market and share market, and there are so many other factors. I mean, the historical background of the coins or share market. So you told that there is some solution, like artificial intelligence and automatic trading bots. So what is the best automatic trading bots to enter into this cryptocurrency? Can you tell about that in detail?
Yes, thank you. So I would also like to answer the previous question also. How can one start, with what minimum investment they can start? Normally, the recommendation is crypto trading about $200 to $250 should be a minimal investment that you should start with, which is in Indian rupees could be about 20,000 rupees approximately, which is not very large sum of amount, but at the same time it is substantial enough to start. One should not start with a view of making a quick money, quick profit. In any business, in any trading is a form of business. In any business, one should be open minded to learn and earn and at least give a window of 3 years. People who have been in the crypto trading in the initial days, who had this patience for 3 years, have multiplied their assets more than 200 times, 300 times also. I am not telling that everybody will be able to do that. I'm also not telling that everybody will not be able to do that. It all depends on how well you are able to apply day to day basics in your learning and in your trading. Some people may not have time, so he may say that I don't have time. How do I do this? To answer that question, we are now at a very interesting era when artificial intelligence also is helping many people who cannot invest their time and be constantly available in a market which is 24 bar 7, 365 days, and constantly observe and do the trading, buying, selling, uh, then trading, and also which one to buy, which one to sell. All this is not possible. But artificial intelligence has an ability to do the analysis on your behalf, place the order on your behalf, place the order when the markets are low, sell the products and the markets are up, and you can command all these things and give a designated strategy to work for you. And all this at a nominal $10 a month, you can hire an intelligent robot to work for you. And these kind of solutions were not available until a year back. But now there is one company from Singapore and which is also registered in US, and the name of the company is Royal Cube. They have an artificial intelligence bot which Binance, Coinbase, and UB have also allowed them to be integrated using API. That is, API means it is a key through which you can allow on the platform of the trading for the robot to go and do the trading on your behalf. It cannot withdraw money, it cannot deposit money, but it can do the trading on your behalf and generate profit and keep it there. And at a nominal cost, it can work for you 365 days. That means even when you're sleeping, when you're traveling, even when you're working, this is working for you and generating profits. And when intelligence becomes better than human beings, technology intelligence becomes better than human beings, an intelligent human being should actually apply technology which is smarter than us. That is the smart way of working in the future. So it is about collaborating with the technology and getting smart work done rather than working hard. So if you are a beginner, good luck to you. If you are a master, better luck to you because you have now a technology which can do better than before. If you are a beginner, you don't know anything about it, but you must start. The reason being, whether you like it or you don't like it, you will be compelled to be a part of this revolution in the future. So it is better to start early, small, but consistent investments like an ULIP or you put a monthly saving investment plan, and 5 to 10% of your available savings money should be invested in a high volatile markets like crypto. Never be greedy. You should always be going by your need. Greed is the biggest challenge in this kind of industries. Don't go by opinions, go by facts. And facts are numbers. And artificial intelligence is here to help you out. It works on our machine learning, robotic engineering, and artificial intelligence together using a very safe, secure strategy called martingale trading strategy, where they buy and sell even when the markets are up or markets are down. Also, it has the ability to generate profit.
Okay, okay, excellent. I asked you about using artificial intelligence for cryptocurrency trading. You answered very beautifully.